Hi there. Today I'm going to do some maintenance here in the yard on the trucks. Just going to get the hot water pressure washer out and rinse them off. Get some of the undercarriage and stuff rinsed off. Not really going to hand wash them today, get them shiny, but get them clean underneath and get some grease. That's my goal anyhow, is to rinse off the little 5-yarder and Lucille. So Lucille, and Goldie, in case you don't know. Hopefully those, you can see all those. But Goldie's still letting her paint set up, and she's real clean underneath. So she's not going to get any pressure washing yet. But Ida and Lucille get pressure washed today, and then we'll grease them both, and hopefully get the grease in Goldie. Probably rinse off the Mini, and so anyhow, we'll see how it goes. Ran out of battery with my time lapse. It'll start raining, which is perfect. Do the wet part while it's dry out, the dry part while it's wet out. That's kind of the way things go sometimes. So I'm going to start greasing trucks because I love to do that in the rain.